Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to be doing or trying to do an acrylic nail design, and I'm going to be using these paper forms. Now I've never used these paper forms before. I bought a multi-pack and it came with like some small and like medium and long ones. And the butterflies are pretty. So yeah, I don't really know anything about paper forms or how they, how this is going to go, but we are going to try and do a design using these. Obviously, as I said, some acrylic. We're going to be using some of the colours from the Candy Coat palette, and I'm also going to be using these, which are these little tiny fruits. So these two fingers and this finger will be a different colour, and then this one will be multicoloured. My nails are plain and bare, and yeah, I've sorted out my cuticles and everything. So yeah, we're just going to sort of crack on and give it a go. So I will be using for my acrylic the glitter bells, glass slippers, glitter bells, this is glass slippers, and I will be using the glitter bells Humour Free monomer. Sorry, there's a lot of glitter bells because I really like glitter bells, and obviously my glitter bells size 12 acrylic brush. So yeah, I suppose we've got to figure out how to do these forms. I'm thinking it would be best to like do one nail at a time, and also with what I want to do, we're going to have to like add these colours and these fruit pieces like as we're doing it, if you get me. So yeah, maybe I should actually get all the bits that I need. So now, normally when I'm doing my own nails, I like to do it like this. As I said, I've never used these before. That was so not enough. Okay, let's get a much bigger bead this time. And then we kind of guide it to where we want it to go. Like that. How do you get these things to stay stuck to your finger? Because this does not want to stay stuck to my finger. It keeps peeling off, which is like super annoying. Like really, really annoying. So we are going to, I think, for this colour we will do some purple. So we'll pick up a little bit of purple. Now I don't want to be like too much. I literally just want it to be like a thin, like just a tiny bit of colour, if you get me. And then I wonder if this is wet enough to start putting in some of these purple ones yet, or not. Maybe. So that's some grapes. I have no idea what this fruit is here. There's not very many purpley colours. Okay. Add another purple. And just pushing them in, if you can, like, I'm not even in camera, like, if you can see that. Oh, well, trying to, if they're not gonna fall off. Okay, so as you can see, I've stuck on a bunch of fruit. Hello guys, I am back from doing these 4. As you can see, they are chunky boys, which is fine because we can file and shave them. But if you look underneath, and I bring it up into the camera, they look really, really cool. They look really, really cool. So I kind of hope they look like that when they finish. So we've got like reds, we got like pink and purples, oranges, and then yellow and greens. Now this nail is going to be a bit different, and I'm actually going to go in with a base of this from Glitter Bells, which is Sun Kissed Orange, because it'll be going next to this one, just because I wanted a little bit of sparkle. So yeah. So I'm just going to let that one dry. Yeah. Clean off my brush, tidy up my desk, and yeah, give these bad boys a file and we will see what they end up looking like. Hello guys, so we're back. Forget the dark spots that are by here. I do apologise, it was, you know, from where I spilled some of the monument and stuff. But here are the nails. I think they came out looking really, really good. And there's the thumb. Yeah, they are much longer than what I'm used to, because this hand is the length of the nail I'm used to. So this is going to take some time. Because yeah, I'm definitely not used to long nails like this. And yeah, if you want to see what they look like, you can see from the side how we've got that nice apex and comes down, and it's like that for all of them. yeah, where it goes up and then back down, because you know we want to be building the strength of it here where it's highest, because that is where the stress point is going to be. Yeah, so I think I did really good. So here's a much like up close picture of them. Yeah, like I said, I think they look great. Let me know in the comment section below how you think I did. And yeah, I'll see you all in another video, guys.